Both teams off and underway. BMW team made up of Oscar Arias, Weston Gine, Jonathan Gorski, and Cruz Rio. Mellow Lux Specialized made up of Sandor Delgado, Jules Gillum, Noah Schlosser, and Zachary Gottsman. And Major Motion out fastest at the beginning. Can go back and forth in the team pursuit. Right now, Major Motion putting time into Mellow Specialized. Not letting that second fastest qualifying time bother them at all. And now Mellow Specialized pulling back. About a tenth of a second difference. And now it's advantage Mellow Lux Specialized. So just as I said, the lead can go back and forth. We're seeing that here as both of these teams dig deep, coming up on the halfway point. At the halfway, it's advantage Mellow Lux Specialized. Mellow Lux Specialized down to 3 riders. This pace taking its toll on that team.
Up, 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 up!
Four laps to go.
Push!
Mellow Lux Specialized closing in on BMW.
Excuse me, this is my work area, this is my office.
Riders need to be aware. And there's the catch.